indices traded with moderate bullishness for the day. We have seen a little recovery here in Dow Jones and NASDAQ. We have seen US 30 is struggling to break beyond 42, 650, 660. Now remember, I have been talking about this level since a couple of days. I have mentioned that these two are going to remain a critical level for US 30 to break past by. Likewise, see 21 200. Those who follow me regularly, and in fact the Asia session update few hours back, I have mentioned that these levels are achievable and are going to remain a greater resistance. Now, big day today for indices. Yes, the NFP data and the unemployment data is going to generate lot much of volatility. Which direction indices is going to take, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Thus, subscribe, press the bell, like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership share on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into NASDAQ, followed with Dow. Now, when you see NASDAQ on the hourly chart, see reversal, then a dip, then again higher highs, reversal, then a dip. Now, if it stays above 21,160 levels, you can buy again. Now, see, this is delivering nice flag here, higher lows, higher highs. Next thing to note here is till 21,200 and 260 levels, we have to be very, very cautious here with the buys. Notice another point. See, till now 20 period moving average was the resistance. Now this is providing it as support here. So I can see a little sign of bullishness here in NASDAQ 100. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. So signs are supportive here for the bullishness here. When you look at the 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, it has delivered a breakout. It is trading above 20 period moving average, higher lows and higher highs are seen. So now I will see, if you see it is staying above 21,160, you can buy, expect 21,200, 250, 260. And see, 21,200, 250, 260 is a very, very good resistance zone. Remember, it has formed a nice base here and it can give you a shoot on the upside. Let's wait for this breakout. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with moderate divergence, moderate bullishness here. The RSI is almost on the 3 hour charts. Also, the observation is similar. Notice it has formed higher lows and it is waiting for a breakout which is going to take it above 21,200, 260 zone. Possibility exists. Moving averages right now trading with divergence is staying bearish, looking downwards beyond 21,250, 260. I am looking forward to 21,300, 320, and if that is taken, chances will be high that we may see 21,400 as well. Stochastic has the top here. The MACD has crossed over just, and thus it is trading with divergence and bullishness. It has lot much of a scope on the upside. RSI is flat here. On the 4 hour charts, also it has formed a nice tail and it is waiting for a breakout. So if you see it is staying about 21 160 200 zone, you can expect more rise here till 21 260. Be cautious. Similar observation, the moving averages here are also trading with divergence and bearish. The stochastic rising, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover, good sign for the bulls here, and the RSI is flat here. So signs are still very much encouraging and supportive for further bullishness here in Tech 100. Now coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, very, very important point to note here is how Tech 100 has traded so far. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Now what is the difference between the last two drops? See, this is formed lower lows and now it is forming a support here at 21,000. So today, if you see Tech 100 below 21,000, that is the point of time we can say that we may expect lower lows as well. Yes, it can try to take a dip and it can hit the lower lows. However, till 21,000, or in fact, let me include 20,950, 970 zone as well. As long as 20,950, 970 zone is not taken, we should not be trading NASDAQ 100 as bearish. Below 950, 970, we can expect 20,900, 920, and then in fact 20,800 levels will appear, because below this it is going to hit the bottom of the channel, which is right now at 20,700. Stochastic has hit the bottom already. The MACD is still bearish. The RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a sweat-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now looking at the charts here, I will recommend you to buy here at 21,165. Expect 21,200 as the first resistance zone, 21,240, 260 as the next. And if NASDAQ 100 trades about 21,240, 260, stay bullish for 21,300. And beyond 21,300 is where we are looking forward to a massive recovery, a massive rise, which can take it towards 21,360, 21,400, and in fact 21,500 levels as well. Yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside now, a selling entry is at 21,100. Expect 21,070, 060 first target, 21,020, 21,000 the next, and if it trades below 21,000, chances will be high that 29,5970 it may touch. Now, only bearishness today in Tech 100 is if it trades below 29,5970, below which you can expect 20,900, 920 first, 20,800 second, and then in fact 20,700 can be expected here. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow. What US30 is doing on the hourly charts, it has formed a curve. The resistance levels are intact at 42, 500, 650, 660. It's a wall out here which needs to be broken, and beyond that 42, 700. If these two levels are taken, then only we should treat this as bullish. Also look at the last two candles, almost symmetrical, the top and the bottom. It has come down to the same zone, and now we have to wait for 42, 650, 660 zone to be taken in order to turn bearish. And also now 42 540 levels, if it breaks, you can expect 42 500, 480 at the first target zone, 42 450 and 42 400. 42 400 is the wall for the day. The stochastic has dropped, MACD rising, RSI flat here, not indicative much. On the 2 hour charts right now, the moving averages are trading bearish. It is delivering lower lows, lower highs. It is very important for US30 to now trade below 42 500, 480 zone. If that is taken, you can expect 42 450 and 42 400, below which 42 300 should appear the next support zone. Stochastic dropping here, the MACD rising, the RSI flat here. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See what it is trying to do. This could become the reversal sign, diminishing bullishness, reversal sign, first bearish candle. And now if it trades below 42 500, you can expect more bearishness to prevail here. Notice that it has formed a top here, and see, with striking this top, it is always trying to reverse, which means 42 300 it can strike towards. Be mindful of this. Stochastic at the top, the MACD bullish, the RSI flat. Signs on the indicators, if you look at, are still bullish. And on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Preceding candle, swing candle here, the lows could be at around 42 500, 480, which should be a good support. It can in fact move towards 42 400, but I will say you have to be cautious. I will not be treating this as bearish as of now. See, as long as now today 42 400 is not taken, we have to be cautious. Now see, 20 period moving average, 50 period moving average is still acting as a greater resistance here. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now, before we move to the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join the mentorship badge and the signals channel if you just want to trade as per the signals and capture hundreds of points and pips in a single day. See here on the daily charts, the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence looking downwards. And remember, this crossover has appeared after a long time, and it might gonna stay here for a while. Now, what is happening here on the daily charts is the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, the drop here. So it appears that it is finding it difficult to break below 42 400, 300. And yes, once it breaks below 42 400, 300, we are looking forward to a greater correction here towards 42,200 and in fact 42,000 levels. Be mindful of this. Looking at the charts here, see, we can see bullishness, or you can see the bearishness getting diminished. It is finding greater support here on the downside, and today again it has started with higher lows and now trying to bounce back. So it is possible that it can strike 42,800, 42,900 zone, and beyond that is it may try to continue with the reversal rise, retracement, and now it is trying to bounce back. It can move towards 43,200, 43,500 zone as well. The MACD, if you look at it, has crossed over here at the bottom, and it is trading with moderate divergence, moderate bullishness. So it appears that it may continue here on the upside today, which means a greater rise can be expected. But I will say indicators are just lagging indicators. You have to watch out. See, if it can stay bullish for months and weeks, it can stay bearish for months and weeks as well. RSI rising. So considering this for the day, now you know that buying entry is above 42 650 660 zone only. Expect 42 700 720 at the first target zone, 42 800 as the next. Beyond this, we are looking forward to a greater rise, which can in fact take it towards 43,000 and plus levels. Though the bulls are not appears to be so much interested, but the data can set the stage on fire. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 42 540. Expect 42 500, 450, 400. Once it draws below 42 400, I think we are looking forward to a greater correction. 42 300, 320 first, and then 42 200 and 42,000 levels should be seen here. So just stick to the levels, and without any bias, take your trades. The indicators are good for the rise, but I can see the bulls getting exhausted here. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.